Taking off the head.
We do have to take this off to get food.
Daddy. You know you can't get it, man. There you go with that bullshit. Come on, every time you get it, man. Every time you come in here, you know what it is. Motherfucker can't spit. And we gotta dress code the way you dress, man. Let's go, man. We're gonna have to leave, man. Fuck you, man. We're gonna have to leave. Whatever. 300? We're gonna have to leave. 400? We're gonna have to leave. Fuck you, man. They know what you got. Come on, man.
Rowdy, disruptive, yes. Ornery, must confess. They will arrest at least 2 of us, maybe a few of us. Most of us be foolish, drinking, smoking. People get angry, things get broken. Bang, maul, mangled, punched, kicked, choked, strangled. Everybody's got an angle. That's why something's in the chamber. Danger, danger. Snakes in the perimeter. Cock lock loaded. I'll be ready with some shit. If not, God knows I never sold my soul. Tell these bitches and these hoes I'm ready to go when they wanna go, and I'm gonna kick they back in if they think we act in that ass if they start talking that shit. Kick they back in if they think we act in that ass if they start talking that shit.
Put your face on a white t-shirt, fresh and clean in a suit, going straight in the day. Ain't gonna be pretty. The car you riding ain't gonna have 24s. Ain't no hoes, ain't no drove, just a big back door. Nigga style, take a drop the shit you get yourself into. First 2 lines I'ma give it to the whole crew. I think niggas underestimate the fat boy, so I get the mic and like a picture you see in the store. Weak niggas got the game old off, convinced the rapper won't pop him with the sawed off. Call my folks and get your fucking body hauled off. My baby G's put in work for the underboss. We hit the scene, boy, jealous cause the player clean. I got that thing when you pop it, make your ears ring. First chump, disrespect somebody, don't swing. Look out for Stack right behind me with the same thing.
Kick they back in if they think we act in that ass if they start talking that shit. Kick they back in if they think we act in that ass if they start talking that shit. For security, we gon' stand right here. Blow these trees, heads bobbing, hood honking. Haters don't like me, motherfucker. Bad, broad, big old titties, thick ass hips, sexy ass lips. Becoming sexier with every drink that I'm sipping. This Hennessy got bitches looking like Jessica Simpson. F-150 full of motherfucker that'll do something to ya. Heaters that'll see something through ya. Detectives asking who did this to ya. News, crews, paramedics, hospital, anesthetic. Don't fuck around, make us do something to ya. Don't let the movie fool ya. I ain't no actor, I'm king. They back in if they think we act in that ass if they start talking that shit. They back in if they think we act in that ass if they start talking that shit.
Said I can talk to you. Listen to me. Now God, I know I'm standing on something that can fall right now. Thank you for letting me see it another day and keeping that sweat up off my eyebrow. I know I'm so worried about demons, but look at that heart again. They ain't that bad. They ain't even in my pants. Then again, I scat more punches than punch. I almost got sack punches. Common sense of motherfucker. I'm working with some fat punches. It don't take no damn rocket scientist to see the sound of this code. Punch hours can't tumble down, so the end of the code. Just cause daddy put her on it. One big load of $100 bill with a book on it. Now, the beat don't tell me now. There's something wrong with
soul praise, sedated heavily with no cocaine. Fuck that, serving the hell with that. Overseas getting shut the fuck up and they mail you back. A dear time for your ass, via airmail, cardboard box, body bag, then they give your family a flag. You trap me? Oh, you tripping. I gotta be honest with you, Sergeant. You give me a gun, I'll probably shoot you with it. I ain't your boy, and I don't know it. I never got that joke. Forgive me if I don't laugh. I got some kids to support. Please believe me. Japanese rap, pimping and hoeing, pimping, so creepy. Sneaky, I had to get pimping. I heard my grandma say we living in our last days, fool. I said, Grandma, why you wanna fuck up my last few days with the new? If you all eat, get that body of this moment. I'ma meet the eres mi puta, eres mi mula, eres mi prostituta. Soy el jefe, soy el guapo, soy el más padrino. No le digan nada ni mi papacito. A vez en cuando, por favor, trate a mi puta. De un momento, por favor, trate a mi puta. De un momento. Please believe me. Pimpin' and hoeing, pimpin', so crazy. Pimpin', just pimpin'. Please believe me. Pimpin' and hoeing, pimpin', so creepy.
Break the fucking board, buddy.
You don't know what's just to come on, huh? Yeah. Islamic. It goes. Drizzle. I'm the lead off hitter. Spitter. Sweetest apple fitter. John Ritter. Hold on, got no dough. Quick, fast, not slow, bro. You know I'm butter. I can't lie. Hit her. Splitter. Hit her with a left mitter. Did her. Treat her like litter. Cause I'm bitter. I don't work things. I with her. Big titter. Big shitter. Can't wait to get with her. But if she broke, she a joke. And I can't do shit with her.
The track sizzle, the business keep it flaming. She's a runner and I run with pimps, keep hoes in training. They pointing at your boy like I'm diamond on the chain. Weak niggas stay for toys, plus they lines on the game. Charles Ray blind to the game, we gon' shine and maintain. If we got it, we gon' grind in the rain. Dog my nights, leave the turf unstain. Label me savage, go bad on the babbage. Jump in American savage. Train wreck, fucked off, my peripheral graphic. But a soldier keep it tactic. Hollow high ones with the blankets that'll make a nigga backflip. Nothing nice to the bloodline. Head snug with hug nine. Make a nigga hug nine. Bullet bars coming at you, hit my mouthpiece. My whole camp eat at the same time that Ralph eat.
I'm at the swap meet, deny hoes. Mexicans, some Cinco de Majos, and fly hoes. Have you ever seen a car with 5 doors? Have you ever seen a pimp with 5 hoes? Well, I got both of them. And nigga, you want both of them.
Trey, let me hold something so I can reload something. He owe something. I'll be back, we blow something for show. Nothing, you make the call. I push the for show button.
I push the O button and make the top
That's
go
why they're out
down.
here
I push
singing
the
that.
go button and get your block mowed down.
Hello, Brown. Come on now. From the town where you can buy weed from the stove right downtown.
Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Now you worry about the things that I do. Worry about who I'm texting, not you. What you want texting, not you. Who the fuck you spending all your time with, not you. Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. I don't wanna bless you like you sneezed on it. I just wanna bless you like you said. If I put a ring on it, will you say I do? Don't want nobody around me, I want you. Why you think about that 2C cool? Baby, you a dime like you 5 times cool. But inside shorty for a little 5 I can teach you how to make money move.
That stinks bad.
How you like that? Ooh shit, yeah, how you like that? The way that about got me sidetracked. Back for a while, then bring it right back. Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Now you worry about the things that I do. Worry about who I'm texting, not you. What you want texting, not you. Who the fuck you spend real time with, not you. Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you.
We gotta take this off.
Claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. Out of sight, out of mind, you ain't thought about. Cause you claim you ain't need me when I say I need you. You ain't thought about when I say I need you. That I know. Not you. Not you. Not you. You ain't thought about when I say I need you. When I say I need you. You ain't thought about.
Got it? Where is?
What's that back?
Maybe it's the way I walk while I stare. Maybe it's the key in me. Got these bras chasing me.
Yo!
Maybe it's the that's not
Oh, I got one.
I'ma be here when ain't no one left. You will find me. You can find me.
Oh, we got another one. Sam, you gotta try it like that. Yeah, this is my goal.
But not the highway up in Brussels. I'm far from a captain, I don't put case over no pedal. One stick on radiation is vicious and undisputed. The ism that I got in my veins is deeply rooted. You to find me up in the caves of New Zealand under the waterfall. Smoking on the zipper, some reefer exotic in my jaw. When you a wheeler tycoon, it never gets old. I play bocce ball and I play cornhole. That's another page of the game you never been told. I can buy what I want, don't have to put it on hold. It's macking over sapping, hipping over simping, still over the stove, still up in the kitchen. All of my people love me and I love them back. I'm respected worldwide, why is that?
Maybe it's the G in me.
The G.
Maybe it's the way I walk while I stare. Maybe it's the key in me.
The B.
Got these bras chasing down this affair. Maybe it's the S that's not on my chest. I'ma be here when ain't no one left. You can find me, nigga.
You can find me.
You can find me.
You can find me.
Hold up. You can find me in the city, pocket full of blue. Nigga dipping something wet, clutching on toes. Since they put me in the game, I did not blow. Don't approach me with a mask, that is not cool. We at the roof, cause I won milk. She got a plan, so Ramon, so it's time to eat. I just hit for 30 ball last week. She a bonafide go if you ask me. Yeah, and she like a nigga hella hard. She like June, why the fuck you got so many calls? Bounce on toes, back to the back. Running up roads,
Maybe it's the G in me.
The G.
Maybe it's the way I walk while I stare. Maybe it's the key in me.
The B.
Got these bras chasing
got all these books and stuff.
You can find me.
Maybe it's the G in me.
The G.
Maybe it's the way I walk while they stare. Maybe it's the P in me.
The P.
Got these bras chasing down this affair. Maybe it's the S that's not on my chest. I'ma be here when ain't no one left. You can find me.
You can find me.
You can find me.
You can find me.
Pretty bad.
Since I graduated. In the book, this book like what I used to cook. She said, I said, yes, it is I. If that's the case, then wait, I bow out in my face. She's been my friend since she was 12, and if she's gonna choose it, right, well, be me.
You don't have no rags or nothing. Huh? So you don't have no rags or nothing?
Now this story ending. Going to reach back like a pimp and slap the hoe and tell her, bitch, beat it. I ain't no rest hand before runaway bitch ass. Finny starts speaking Swahili as he thinks the bitch is the flesh and the pimp's pimpin'. Or does he peek at and tell the bitch put it in my pocket to beat it?
I think this one's cooked there, Jacob.
Not the right size.
Huh?
Not exactly the right size.
Well, I think it's cooked. It's not even. It did the first couple, but it's not even doing nothing now.
Jesse, did you know I know you? Yeah, I know you. Last time I saw you, you was brewed up, ready for a new fuck. Last time you saw me, I was PI to the motherfucking MP. What? And lately I heard you's a broke bitch living in the lower class suburb. And lately the word is I live in a suburb and I don't fuck with birds. She used to pump on the block, sell a nigga out, bail a nigga out, but she tried to push on a nigga. Nigga out one shot, bitch gotta go figure. He used to pay this bitch, gave her lots of shit. Fuck's wrong with this nigga, man? He used to bring it through the hood, the bitch too damn good, my bitch. We used to blaze with the bitch, she X-rated the clip. Stick
time she's setting the nigga up, telling us what the stuff she ready to give us up. What?
Big time, but she full of surprises. I swear this bitch is shady.
It's what I know.
Sex on her mind all the time, and you think that that's your baby.
You don't know.
You was the guy that's living alive, but she told him where you're safe.
It's what I know.
If you cool and she satisfied, how come that bitch just pays me?
You don't know. We had to ride on a nigga, watch him, when the right time to get richer. We decided when the hit was run up on him, 45 in the ribs, what? This nigga screamed like a bitch, showed us where the shit hit a hell of a lick, but the bitch who told us about the bricks exposed us to the nigga, he knew to become a Meanwhile, when it's hood, this niggas is suiting up from Tim to loot it up, rims and new trucks, your man lifting it up, in the van with no hub, suddenly pulled up in the road. Shot a nigga the fuck up, just my luck. The bitch got a smoke touch, it's like a rush. The bitch who blushed, smoke blunts with us, turned out to be nuts. Switched up, mixed up with the wrong slut. Got my brain zipped up in the bag, it's all bad. My niggas got my back, in fact, they caught her on the ad, flossing in another nigga cab.
Big time, but she full of surprises. I swear this bitch is shady.
It's what I know.
Sex on her mind all the time, and you think that that's your baby.
You don't know.
You was the guy that's living alive, but she told him where you're safe.
It's what I know.
If you cool and she satisfied, how come that bitch just pays me?
You don't know.
There's a bug in here. You seen that one? That one was fun.
Crash and burn, or wake up in the morning with cash to earn. Take it home, you get good with me. It's just for the party, for the kid. Who is that in the car? Yo, couldn't be all the way out here. Yeah, T, rush it, keep the beat spark, keep the party started, and work your back for the shark with the cold heart.
All the police on that side.
I got a fetish for Adidas balls, but I bet you don't know what my feelings calls. Do ya? Hold my cheeks like the baby big bulls. It ain't no way you can stop. Cool, the 12th floor at the Marriott. You know me and my title chill there a lot. Betty, I sit alone when the mic's on. Who's Tyson every time you mic's on? Kill 'em. I remember riding with the ride from that. Flight up the midnight high the jet. You know Apple phone records on the stage set. And I'm set, flying down t-shirt and gas. Rhymes you can take, rhymes galore. Rhymes you can buy at the candy store. You know who I am. I'm like credit card candy. Pop like soul food, greens and yams. Extracurricular, nothing in particular. Hit the cloud like a bear or the cylinder. Shit in the line, I could have been a good friend of ya. Now I gotta get rid of ya. Keep going.